Morning students, in the previous class I have told you how to insert a chart. Today in this class I will tell you how to format a chart, how to format the legend, changing the scale of value axis. So let's start. First we have to select the table. Then I will insert the chart. I will insert column chart here. So I will select a column chart. You can see the chart is already created. I will click on it. Now I will increase the size of the chart area. Now this is my chart. Now I will first show you how to format the chart. To format the chart, right click on the plot area and select the plot area option. This is the plot area. So right click on it and select the plot area option. Then format plot area dialog box appears. As you can see, I have selected the plot area. From here also I can select to format my plot area, but I will right click and I will go to format plot area. I will click on it. You can see the format plot area dialog box is on the right hand side, so I will drag it and I will keep it in the center. Now as you can see, it is now in the center. I will go to fill option. From here I will select the style of the plot area. I can give it pattern fill, solid fill, gradient fill, anything of my choice. Whatever I will choose, that will be shown or displayed in the plot area, as you can already see. So I will select a decent one. Always try to, whenever you are making a chart, always think that you have to make a decent chart so that everyone can understand the chart properly. So I am selecting a decent chart style. Here I will show you how to gradient fill, how to select the different gradient pattern. You can select the style also by choosing the appropriate one, how you want your plot area. So here I am selecting a background texture fill and I will make it transparent. You can see by dragging the cursor. Now I will select the border style, different border style. I will select the border color and I will make it transparent if I want. You can select different border style. This border will be displayed on the side of the plot area. You can see the boundary. I can make it thick so that you can see it properly. Can you see the border in the side? Yes. Now this is called the legend. I will format the legend now. As you can see, when I have selected, only the cells is shown here. First I will show you how to insert the, you can see I can drag my legend in any side of the plot area of the chart, in the left, right, bottom, but I will keep it at bottom first. Then I will show you how to change the legend color, means the area where the legend is written, that area I can change its background color, background style. For I can make it fill, no fill, whatever I want to do. Change the color of individual data series by clicking on it, then right clicking and format data point. I will select different colors for different data points, data series. You can go to fill option and you can select the data series and you can change the color one by one after another. So I'm changing the color of every data series here. After changing the color of data series, you can see my legend is now changed. Can you see my legend is now changed? Previously it is showing only cells, but now for the 4 different data series, 4 legends are there. So I can work with the legend from here by changing format legend. I can change the color. I can drag it to top, bottom, left. I think is it visible? It is visible to you? Okay. Now I will show you how to change the scale of value axis. Change the value axis. Click on the value axis X or Y. Click on the value axis of X and Y and go to format axis option. You can see the maximum is here 2,50,000. I will change it. I will make it 75,000, 7,50,000. Okay, and my minimum is 0 here. It is auto. So you can see originally the value axis was 2,50,000, but now I have changed it. Now as soon as I click on other option, you can see the value axis is now changed. The y axis is now till 7,50,000. Now I will change the minimum. Here the minimum is minus 50,000. I will make it 0, as you can see in the chart also. So I will write 0 here, and you can change the display style of the number also by selecting the display unit. You can take it as number, point, in any style you want to show, hundreds, thousands, or in the number form. Whatever form you want to show, you can select it from here. By default, change the maximum of value axis. You can reset it. Now you can see the previous chart is now again visible. Now this is the axis option. Now I will go to the number option. Here you can see you can change the style of your number. It can be of decimal number, it can be normal number, but I will show in the general form. You can change the direction of the text also by clicking on the text option. You can see the text direction is now horizontal. I can make it vertical, or I can make it stacked. So I will select the horizontal form only. Now can you see the tick option on the x-axis and y-axis? There is no tick option right now because it is selected none. I will make it outside, so you can see the ticks outside now. Now I will make the ticks inside, so you can see the ticks are inside. You can make it cross also, so then it will be cross. And the minor ticks also you can give, but I will not give the minor ticks, so I will select none. You can make it inside outside also. I have already shown you how to format the data series individually. Now I will show you how to format the data series together. So click on the data series, go to format data series. You can see all the bars are selected. Now you can go to color option. Now you can select the go to color option. You can select the colors from here: solid fill, gradient fill, any color of your choice. Again I will show you how to go to format data series, select any color, any pattern, picture of your choice. If you choose the patterns, you can see the patterns are visible now. Now you can go to point series on. You can change the gap, and the series overlapping option also is there. If you want, see, I can change the width of the data series. These are the important options available. Now you can change the border color also. You can go to border option, go to solid line, or you can go to pattern, anything, gradient fill also you can select. Then you can change the transparency of the border. You can also change the width of the border according to your wish. So this, like this, you can change the style of your data series. That's all for today. If you have any doubt, ask me in the next Zoom class. Thank you. Have a nice day.